Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about a lovely Guys, lovely is really a lovely coin. And personally, and annuities, I really appreciate for investment because the price change is very positive, very positive. You can see here. Let me show you. Positive 26.71%. The price increase just in the 24 hours. Oh my God, that is really a profitable coin in annuities in the market in lovely Mac will make you a millionaire, guys. Anyways, guys, click the subscribe button for more updates and news videos. That is just the last one day update after lovely and guys, other side, if you look the changes after lovely so you can see here a massive jump over by lovely and now in the latest situation the price falls down, but it is a temporary fall. You can see here this time the price falls down and again pops, same like that changes over here. So guys, don't look the previous falls. And guys, other side, everything is going positive. Trading volume also increase, and the price is here. So guys, you know what? Loudin is a long-term project. If you invest in a Loudin for a long term, guys. So I hope, guys, that at the last of 2021, the Loudin price will be one USD dollar, and when they reach to one USD dollar, so just imagine the profit, unbelievable profit you get from a lowly guys. Guys, I recommend for you to please buy now. And anyways, what you think about lowly what you think? What is your prediction? Share in the comment box and tell me in the comment box that how do you feel today about lowly personally I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very good about lowly because we are getting profit. Are you feeling good? Tell me in the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe channel.